Hello friends, this is Yrvind, and now this is the start of the rod for the hinge, for the rudder. So, looks okay. So, you have to do it in several steps to get everything okay. Hello friends, plenty of snow today. Look how deep it is. And it kind of takes like twice as long time to go the bicycle here. But I got a good bicycle and with big, strong tires like this one. So I'm safe on the bicycle. Not only that, me myself. Well, I'll show you myself in the mirror. So well protected I am with a helmet and everything, and so jackets, sweaters. In the meantime, I've been home eating out in the snow. So thinking about it, I decided to increase the distance here from 1 centimeter to 3. That will give me a bigger under angle. I'm not sure if it's needed, but well, it's so strong anyway, you know. Hello friends, now it's later than before, and a good thing is it's now glued. So it will sit here with many layers, glass fiber here, here and the bottom. And later I will make a top one too. So, but take one thing at a time. And but the yellow things is where the string is going to be to attach the rudder. So there's 4 places with them. 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. So it's redundancy. And how strong is the gluing? Well, it's an epoxy gluing dry thing. It's like 200 kilo square centimeter, and epoxy in itself is 560 kilo square centimeter. So now it's about 300 square centimeter. And now what is this? So we have it here. 300 times 200. Well, it's 60,000 kilos. So that's 60 tons now. And now comes 2 more. So it's like 50 ton more. So now the gluing is good for like 110 kilos. So, and the boat is like 1 ton. And the rudder forces is much less than that. So, do I worry? No, I don't worry. As an amateur, I do it better than needed. Professional, does it as well as you can get away with, not more. So, this is a good thing, and goodbye.